everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, ah. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything.
Oh, hello, everybody. I was here for Ebre Asun say yesign and wo eshia and the very first Saturday of the 10th month of the year 2022. Welcome to another edition of The Community and the Law. You're from Ulriku Frimpon. Menajmedi Menya Akwenya se Mediho Chiame. And I'm going to be with you for the next 2 hours and we're going to explore several areas of the law. Teacher FI Asita here in the UK. Question maybe sir and say, can I challenge or refuse to pay a parking charge ticket? Parking charge ticket. There's a difference, and we'll be looking at that later on. Our lawyer and our friend and our brother Patrick will be our guest and the resource person from BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors is celebrating 30 years of Uncle Ben, the senior partners unbroken service to the community. 30 good years. 10, 20, 30 good years. And we're so proud to be part of that. And we are launching our campaign to get rid and minimize the impact of breast cancer on our women here in the UK and all over the world. Enti ene jimedie no ensem enkomo ene enema bebre wo mu a me bompaye se obetena na afi yedi enkomo. Ebre no eso na se yebie phone lines na ubetimi asende will comment or your question and lawyer will be gracious enough to answer all that for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, we're live on BW TV, we're live on BW Radio, we're live on BWF Solicitors Facebook page, BWF Solicitors YouTube page, and our BWF Solicitors LinkedIn page, and all the social media platforms, live on the radio as well. Enti yenko na fe yenfa and komono enko nkoshisha so. Ebio Yefemi Oreku Frimpon, thank you for being here and welcome to the show. Hello, Ebio Mima Chemwakwaba, and I want to say thank you very much for having time and making time and choosing us to be your afternoon companion here in the UK, live on BWTV, live on BW Radio, live on BWF Solicitor social media platforms, so YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Your friend Ulriku Sefrimpon, and I'm going to be your host for this program for the next 2 hours. And the Yebeka quite interesting and simple. Say your mouth parking charge. If you park at a place and they say it is against the law and you are giving a parking notice and a charge and a penalty charge, do you have to challenge or pay? Or do both? What do you have to do? In a situation like that, what happens? So if you've got all your questions and answers sought for, we can do that for you. We coming your way courtesy BWF Solicitors 214-218 Tottenham High Road, so 7 Sisters, North London. BWF Solicitors, they operate Monday to Friday. If we are not 9:30, Ekopim Enumerate 6 o'clock. BWF Solicitors 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. BWF Solicitors men control say here say only lawyer bidding come here say immigration application any appeals any idea here say nationality any family law issues any idea ni nyina no lawyer come lawyer fabre won e wo BWF Solicitors was here na obedi ho komo obeye ho adwuma nyina e de amount BWF Solicitors odarema ena yede enkomo yi brewo na se obi aye nhwemade no mpepa ne nsakwade a ena ni ento wonkra, and when we back we launch into the program, the community and the law.
Ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare e wo mransemu eye legal services be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWFDA, yen solicitors, edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa, Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF solicitors kra wo ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eye abofrahwe mu, awarja ye ho twuma mentwe. Any oshe ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a yemma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu eweni ya wo brei mu enu ntin ye to yembo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni how kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho semsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni how kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene dan so appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye were 4th floor Ewo Anna House, 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 7 Sisters Underground on Swa, Eye Quantia B. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu, san ye barrister ya Jina Tumu, na oye Ghana Bar Association member, and the was Saint Jina Sembranim for Ewo court cases ya, a fa Ghana law. We're advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors be bree efa Ghanaian law hunye na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law.
BWF Solicitors and Yakoto and Krano. Enti Mame and se Yeda wase sɛ ɛberɛ bia wɔsɔ ase ɛma yɛde dwumadi ɛbrɛ wɔ. Yɛwɔ Sandra Fraser. Thank you, Sandra, for starting off for us and asking people to share. Obaso na wapeke link no wa share ede amai odeshe banana kwekume de good evening. Thank you very much for coming, Sandra. You've put the details there. Join us on BWF TV, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all social media platforms. Let us have your text and your greetings down on the page now. Yamfanto screen usumu bibia ensa enkabi. We're live on YouTube, we're live on Facebook, we're live on Radio BW Solicitors Facebook page near Adena. We'll call your website and so www.bwcommunications.co.uk. The live video and the live audio one, radio no, and so ewoho. Bosumi ya yewumi ye October ya ye remwe nim. Apart from say yes celebrating 30 years of unbroken service by Uncle Ben, a senior partner of BWF Solicitors to the community here in the UK. No, we also looking and supporting the breast cancer campaign. You're launching all over the world. October is a pink month. And unti say here say ube two unia baby for yure obaba ne yen akudon kreafo ne nyina no pomodi say ube two on for say one examine one no for one enye sa ye campaign no ho adwuma na afi ye nyina ye hunu senia ebesi akro abusia ansakra na ye be koso no be say ne yen etu sa na moy yentie message we.
Every 13 minutes, a woman dies from breast cancer globally. Yes, every 13 minutes, someone loses a mother, a sister, a wife, a lover, a friend to breast cancer. Here in the UK, breast cancer is the 4th most common cause of cancer death, with over 55,000 women being diagnosed annually. These alarming statistics from the World Health Organization is a wake-up call to all to join the fight against breast cancer. 8 out of 10 cases of breast cancer are diagnosed in women over the age of 50. It has therefore become critical that we encourage our mothers, sisters, friends, especially those above 40 in our community to be aware and take their annual mammograms and breast cancer screening examination seriously. My dear women, the best way we can stop the spread and increase our chances of surviving the disease is by self-examining our breast regularly and visiting a health practitioner immediately we detect an unusual lump and fluids, even if there is no pain. Hello, my name is Amma Frimpong. Join me as I partner with BWF Solicitors, our preferred UK community law. Let us be part of the solution. Spread the word to your mothers, sisters, wives, lovers, and friends. Early detection saves lives. Thank you.
Yeah, we see no ade enkomono abreye na just say megidi yese obi bia ebe take note. Early detection saves lives. And unti yenhye no so sa na yemfa emmo yenho ebra megidi yese wahye no so obetu ho anamo menso metu ho anamo ma yenkofa bibi emma metu yenho so abra yentimi ensi ano nti hyɛ so sa emame yeah ebusia BWF Solicitors ekoswa echechre yen na oboa yen ama yehunu senia yebesi akrakra yen ho ye breast cancer campaign yi na yedi kan abo ho amane no kai say we are in October and the month is pink, so whilst we wishing you a happy new month, we wishing you wonso ubetimi abo ho bran na afi nema akoye na cho say wo pese wo tro wo English language say IELTS B1 B2 for skilled worker route visa no and say wo pese uba in as a health and care worker so our route no if you're a student and you are applying for entry na you say kotro brofwa Ningina no KT Educational Consult eboa ama wetimi ayesa adwumadi no entifre won na wo English language no won wow na etro number no 07596 620154 07596 620 154 and that's 07512 644 041 07512 644 041 and that's what we're sending on email kt.edconsult@gmail.com kt.edconsult@gmail.com near worker and say prepare with experts and pass with ease and unti channel so sa senia my tdbia oboya mane no bomodi answer obetimi anyone edin koma na watro brofo no na watwa na kama pa na etimi atoyie ade amount who apply for a visa to come to the UK, get in touch with BWF solicitors who advise and they would assist you to select the right visa option, to complete your application form and processes, complete the right travel documents, asylum and appeals. BWF solicitors are your trusted partners in legal matters. Frewon Ghana office no more outside of the UK. The Ghana office numbers are as follows: 0302 09235 and now 0244 269233 0244 269233 BWF solicitors and can say bra na one more na apply for UK visa. Anyway, then every Monday morning, omo eto bibi eto enframemo ede emaye ema yetimi dwindwini and yema send yem rano see kwa betimi gina wona so why you so confident about the law so you don't fall to the wrong side of it. Now, ye nageta this week what day emaye no me to me bona maboboso na fe be permanent yama lawyer Patrick Aboso ede amaye. Was say for an employer to lawfully dismiss an employee, they must have a fair reason and follow a lawful process or they risk tribunal claims. Other substantial reason, that is SOSR, is one of the 5 potentially fair reasons for dismissal. This can occur when there is a loss of mutual trust and confidence between the employee and the company. The Employment Rights Act of 1996, case be by Galacha versus Abellio Scotrel Limited, UK Employment Tribunal, case be by 2020, case number 0027, and BWF the MIN. Sciences will say for an employer to lawfully dismiss an employee, they must have a fair reason and follow a lawfully recognized process or they risk tribunal claims. Other substantial reason, that is SOSR, is one of the 5 potentially fair reasons for dismissal. This can occur when there is a loss of mutual trust and confidence between the employee and the company. Employee Rights Act of 1996 and BWF ekokoyi ade ebre and unti Mr. Shannon Susa fa mame na mpacho meba.
Yeah, fema yewo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Eyobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel Agina Tumu no sanso ye member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ ye gyina wachi etwitwaagyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration sensɛm ho. Wo BWF solicitors deɛ ye immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasan gyina tum ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti sɛ yɛ taiwachi a wonni haw kraa. Yebie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pay mu ekosi enumre nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM. Ɛna memene dan so ɛyɛ appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantia bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gyina tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na osan yo bi a otai kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law.
BWF solicitors yekoso edamo ase. Na ene ewie ansakra na mede lawyer Patrick medanedi na fe mano akwaba no. We have an announcement to make, and it is this. We are joining the BWF Solicitors family, and on behalf of everybody in the community, to congratulate Lawyer Patrick on qualifying as a solicitor to the senior courts of England and Wales. Very proud of you, bro. We wish you every success in the years ahead. Mekai say baby a mu na I'm saying about a week or two back. Na ye word media so a year senior partner Uncle Ben at the BB mu say watch this space. Na opese o yi asitre because I feel na decision about apa say we na afi ye dey na boss body amano. But near pese ebre no aso te se de ne aso na ye nyina ye de yen abasobode Emma Lawyer Patrick for qualifying as a solicitor to the senior courts of England and Wales. Enye easy cry. He's learned very hard, he's learned from the best, and he is aspiring to reach the highest of the tops. Lawyer Patrick, we are proud of you. Congratulations. Yami inshallah na fe also emma kwanimu saa bebre because the oye ma yen our community no mu baby a free and baby a wabedri. We so grateful, we so thankful to God, and we so encourage you to move to higher heights. Congratulations. And on behalf of everybody, we are saying congratulations. Well done once again, Lawyer Patrick. Say what to me akodru bebia wadru se na wokɔ anim nso. Ni nyina mu no ye nyina ye ka ho nso ne celebrate the 30 years of unbroken service by Lawyer Bernardo Wusu, the senior partner of BWF Solicitors to the community. Sabi senia wesi asom aye community no any ade no esusu so bi and Lawyer Patrick and so adru so. And on behalf of everybody we say, Lawyer Patrick, thank you, congratulations. Uncle Ben, congratulations. More grease to your elbows.
Yeah, fair ma yewo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWFDA Yen solicitors edi enigye ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground Nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors be bree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bi a otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Yeah, we say you go so and earlier on mebo amanie bi is ye wo nhyehyɛ ye mpanifo etimi eboa na fe ye de brofo ensem no ekogu sebe ya obetimi atwerɛ wo English language no pass no just the right set of people ho na fe omo etimi aboa na eno na me boss so ekyerɛ wo sɛ ne KT Educational Consult for edi enkoma obetimi aboa ama otimi atwerɛ wo IELTS say B1 and a B2 and now say CELT A2 B1 or B2 for immigration mamin kodin komo ketu bi wo ahoma so na me find out the difference between the B1 and B2 and how you can do it here with KT Ed Consult. Many about na mayeti ewo ahumana so. Now good evening.
Good evening, Mini Abema. Refu, me that's it. Pata baby abo for there.
Yami adumo yahu ye pa na so e.
Adomna hwe ye mense me ho ye.
You. We there. Me here in Chichimu kakra say amanfo ewo the concerns as to brofo any idea ya na ebo amanfo hu situ na nsen care worker route eba beto mu question na ebisa and say yes was how English language and they nyina yintimi nka be bre sa say ye fano sa care worker route titu and say ye can be bit say IELTS na a day and I did home.
Yo, me a me that's it. And you can medical social, it's here for natural phone.
Yeah, Joso.
na medo bi answer to so mo gusto a mo share program no yo ni de ka ye ka IELTS na o ye IELTS it's International English Language Test na ba brofu enye UK ha nkwa na ye tro edeba
Okay.
ye tro ediko the opeso school na akoye ejuma ana professional body be invite abroad semeka abroad and America from Ghana and from West Africa and abroad yes either these countries UK, Australia, Canada, US and then I say New Zealand into other countries. Yeah, brofo bia omo pese obi bom cruise ebe ko school and abe ye juma omo to me nya standard say omo to me say brofo eka brofo 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 asie
Right.
nti ade for ya mabubo si ya de call ye brofo kase ni mo a see reading, speaking, listening and writing.
Okay.
Nti no ba ade for we omo be ye won sohwe ewo ho na omo ehu say yo ubetumi ati asie atro na waka na wenya emonti asie nso ansa na wabọ mu pro no so abeye say ye school kwa ana eduma ya enti we na UK sake worker route na aba no omo nso mo say so pese obeye bia o say wo tro IELTS na ye hu standard of English no na ode aba.
Okay.
Say a woman no so we will be out of Ghana na Nigeria na any of these African countries maybe now person ba na say degree qualification a degree say we call university about first degree any who here say we better IELTS no na mum degree qualification no any the transcript in the course now we no or say officer at the former British Commission, British Council for Ewo Corona Owono.
Okay.
Na omo pense mu ehu say ampa social now uye no. Oye wo English mo nti ene ehu hia say ubetro sa IELTS in social no.
Okay.
So wo diploma kra eno still a ubetro. Degree pe no be ehwe.
There's a ukuta HND diploma in whatever. It was say degree, first degree, BSc and BA, BEd, whatever.
The nyina wo betro say why a degree no.
Okay.
Ansana.
Okay.
Enti no say who need degree dia any o say wo tro IELTS and so no.
Okay.
Na we na KC Ed Consult for omonye hu ase dodo na epe omo to metra omo beti ase tini omo kotra ebeye fofofo ede ama omo.
Okay.
Ena nyame adaroma KC Consult teachers ewo ho no dodo na any cells ewo UK meka cells and also another IELTS na bi but no ye tro wo UK ha.
Okay.
Omo ye edumanti no omo nim in and out of sa additional.
Okay.
And almost na wetumi akwa akotro. Ti sa na tie. Enye no almost metre salt no. Esa atro etre O18 so ema nurses for so eka ho.
Right. Enti se obi etro IELTS no B1 B2 na level being na was so true. What can B1, B2? Difference in a day.
Okay. You can B1 na B1 here. The first level na to do na edge B1. But there were companies. Yes, that kind of say B1 no. The matrix is more very simple. I'm a what you na to say secondary school na ultra A level O level and B1 here a little bit lower level than the B2
okay
and I was C1 so na English level no companies, the majority of them, because of the government policy, omuji B1, no.
Okay.
But what the school, some of the schools also demand, they say, Obetro B2, amomo. And I say, brofuna, but baku enim kakra.
Okay. Okay. And she said, ultra pass mark ben also winya.
Yo, government media now or say companies bet to me as accept na omodi akofa and croffordia banner. At a level of 4.5, no. We okay. Just when you ban 4.5, we okay. But honor metaton crofforfo. Se wonnim hwe kra na o ka se o de me pe 4.5 pe e de ape obi bia yo but o wonim die no wo ho dia ada na o pray say
higher
than that
okay,
because getting 4.5 and getting 7 no gap no and so there are just few things o say obetumi aye na ama wenya 7 no. Na niente ya na me tunko fofo nso se omunya 7 ye especially ye nuanom na omuye nurses ne midwife ne we ya omo pese omo di care route no eba krom ha be ye adwuma kakra nyame ya omo adom na omo settle na omo pursue omo midwifery course no anasa omo nursing career no.
Okay.
Enti eno sa no de you have to get a band of band 7.
7.
Band 7, our 4 skills, listening, reading, speaking, And she said, when you band 7 precope, now the badia. And they are fibobia, to a no. You don't need to go and write it.
Write the English again, okay.
But the ultra now when you 4.5, na Namia Adam Odiano, they do Krumha. Now, I said your person will pursue a nursing career because nurse need carer. It's a different kakraka.
No, that's right, yeah.
And you know, person was practicing nursing and I made with Ghana. I will name the airport. Now, I'm just a normal carer. I will seek a seminal perform. And you know, Obia Benya and Cat, or better you now, or the career, yes, pure nursing, no. Obenya pin now I proper national obe fat sa kwan no ye try send ye be ya obenya sa band no na wetumi use in future it is understand.
Okay, enti se obi atro na or Ghana min kanasa or outside of the UK and no
okay.
Let me find out. Some mention BB. What's the difference? Or the war outside of the UK in Etro IELTS and the war UK Etro CELT. Is that correct? Okay. And I think so say over through the Keweka route now. Your banda was a winya at least a 4.5. There were 4 aspects in your
or so to me chat nina na ye aggregate ne cry be 4.5. Nti ube won say men share o hone kakra ube betimi enya 7.5 e when be a reading when ya 6 e wo writing now so when ya 3.5 e wo speaking now when ya 4 e wo listening still I will try.
Because the back fall below 4.5.
Falling.
Okay.
Onya 9 cry I was 3. No nya baku 2 still on passing.
Nti ano sa no so kwotwe ni nyina foforo anase aspect na.
Kwotwe ni nyina foforo.
Oh, na just say went me ntwa 4 ni nyina at least 4.5 or so kwotwe ni nyina foforo.
Patron is
okay. Na say obi pese on KT at consult edi ekitahona or yeah mo ye ne say mo classroom kakraka bia mo tena se kire nkrofo ade anase te say
yo KT for ne ne say ye try there online.
Okay.
Enti no ne say obi ne be register ye try ye what 3 places of learning. Ye were Google Classroom. And there was Zoom teaching and learning.
Okay.
And there WhatsApp for information and then some. My friend said, "We your work maybe a baby or no, and you have now copy email last 10 years. You can send it through WhatsApp. Now teacher, afro no a one-to-one tutorial. No actual where you are falling short, where you are doing well. Now or no I go through no actual. Nya obenya higher score.
Okay.
And basically you tried with Zoom online all over the world. And Ghana, there were students that were about 6 different nations. And
right.
Ghana for those, Nigeria for those to farm. But yes, then now your online course.
So how does one get in touch with you? Yeah, my number is now who on the screen, no, and saying, how do we get in touch with you?
Yes, me who say leaflet no, online. Osha Asia. Number be was so 07596620-154. And I say, we send an email to kt@consult@gmail.com now. Remember why? Na you know what that. Say, our friend number outside the UK, our friend on WhatsApp. Remember why? Na and I say you can just even send a WhatsApp message. Now, why introduce you and say, okay, so your course maybe. They will contact you back. Now, you know, I say, my name is where we are and come few things I made me account.
But obey to me the answer, so yeah.
Yo, say, course is now, a 4 skills. Into 4 skills, no. There were minimum of 2 weeks fast track. Monday to Thursday. Enumerate from 6 to 10 yet radio.
Okay.
So we have teaching and learning class. Any exams so exam paper solving class.
Okay.
And the join teaching and learning now. When you better fire you see effort to net solve a question. And the year now who's to now for your more question if you attract say I didn't know apply and check. You don't say who apply and no waiter because we practice real exam papers. Real exam papers and let's say exam questions are British Council, any Cambridge University, any way all the English language set and Trinity College. And a Pearson, accepting now use for their standardized exams, and no na be.
Okay.
So we will say most of the time, the questions that we practice, similar thing. Now we will say
all right. And T number here 07596620154 07596620154. And also send the email to kt.edconsult@gmail.com. But number ending 151 and one will be waiting and send the WhatsApp now first one. Okay. And yet now it has CP say we be in so a day a my yame ensure.
Also sir.
That's it. Now my tea and Motenka say yɛne no ɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ hɔ na afei ɔkyerɛkyerɛ sɛnea ɛyɛ KT Ed Consult wɔn hyehyɛ no ɛsi ɛteɛ nti ɛduru brɔfo no so a na afei wo no akasa yɛnhwɛ join us on BWTV Sandra Fraser, thank you very much. The next one ɛyɛ Dorcas Adom, good evening, Lawyer Patrick and afei Brakwe Ku, Lydia Mensah, hi, how are you? NK, good evening and keep sharing useful information being churned out here. Nana Aso Akwabwa, hello. Nana, you did hear so on your pa. Tile Duma, Awaha, Tile Maying Wave, Sansuso, and Ocheng, hello, lovely family. Again from Tile, Najima, Senior Minister Brawa, and a class is going on. Thank you very much. Yen share those one. Nana Obrimpong, Berima Obrimpong, Ansa, good evening. Ebio Tili, I think you are calling out names, Covenant Grace. So who are you calling? Kofi Nat, backing me or one? Yes, Kofi is on board. Tilly is calling. Wumpini Adam, thank you. The next one, Eric Kobna Sante, my best lawyer, and Mr. Uwasman. Thank you very much. The next one, again, Tilly, Asai Eddie Biabatum Nana Bob. Yanko so na fi yemfa wing so emra. The next one here, Mami for Hi family. Welcome back again to all staff at BWF solicitors and members on the platform. NK, congratulations, Lawyer Patrick. Yes, join us to congratulate Lawyer Patrick for his achievement. Congratulations to you, Lawyer Patrick. One from Dokas Adum. Sansuso and Yewo Nana Oberima Obrimpong and Sa. Congratulations to Lawyer Patrick. So the next one here, Lydia Mensa. Lydia, do you know what? Yeah. We have Lydia. Congratulations to Lawyer Patrick. So and Lydia again. Becky Insia also is saying congratulations to Lawyer Patrick. Sandra Fraser, congratulations, Lawyer Patrick. Well deserved. Well done. Ebion so you another one. Eric Kobna Sante saying congratulations to Lawyer Patrick for his achievement. He's been called to the bar in the UK. Another one here that says, congratulations, lawyer. Thank God for all your hard work and efforts. You deserve it. One from me, Ifua. Dokas Adum Edieni. Wow. Congratulations to you, senior lawyer of our time, Sir Bernard Owusu. Another one here say, good day, Oreku and Mr. Patrick Abuchede. God bless you for your hard work from Nana Bob. The next one here is saying Thomas Shakilus Ado Townsend. Good evening and good afternoon to you as well. The next one here, Rebecca Mwako, good evening. This next one says Ben Asari. Congratulations to Lawyer Patrick. And Afi and Ahin Deborah, are you also congratulating Lawyer Patrick on his feet?
Yeah, fair ma yewo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernard Owusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu enu ntin ye to ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni how kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni how kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene dan so appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground on Swa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernard Owusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Every 13 minutes, a woman dies from breast cancer globally. Yes, every 13 minutes, someone loses a mother, a sister, a wife, a lover, a friend to breast cancer. Here in the UK, breast cancer is the 4th most common cause of cancer death, with over 55,000 women being diagnosed annually. These alarming statistics from the World Health Organization is a wake-up call to all to join the fight against breast cancer. 8 out of 10 cases of breast cancer are diagnosed in women over the age of 50. It has therefore become critical that we encourage our mothers, sisters, friends, especially those above 40 in our community, to be aware and take their annual mammograms and breast cancer screening examination seriously. My dear women, the best way we can stop the spread and increase our chances of surviving the disease is by self-examining our breast regularly and visiting a health practitioner immediately we detect an unusual lump and fluids, even if there is no pain. Hello, my name is Amma Frimpong. Join me as I partner with BWF Solicitors, our preferred UK community law. Let us be part of the solution. Spread the word to your mothers, sisters, wives, lovers, and friends. Early detection saves lives. Thank you.
Abusia, Ebre Aso say Yade and Komo Ebre War. Well, I've seen so many people on there talking about sharing. Patience Mensah, thank you for joining us. Ejewa Nanajimai, thank you for joining us. Ishmael Jivo, thank you. Candy Sarkodie, thank you for joining. Also to Dominic Tansen, Thomas Shakilus Ado, Sylvester Yabua Fojuo, you are there with us. Rebecca Mwako, Smith Mercy, Benosare, Eric Boateng, Sister Araba, Ken Jones, and Promise. Then there's one that says, avoid redoy. So thank you very much for joining us live on here. Promise, that's a very long one. Thank you, God bless you. Another one here says, Felix Dati, congratulations. Now, somebody's asking me, what are we and why are we congratulating? Lawyer Patrick has qualified to be called into, let me take this one off here. Let me take it. Okay, good. Patrick Wurai on qualifying as a solicitor to the senior courts of England and Wales. We're so proud of you, as the message says, and wish you every success in the years ahead. Lawyer, are you cool? Okay, yen kono say na yen fa yen komono emfa emeshisha so emfa emau ewa ha. Just give me just a sec, and we will be going to our discussions in the next moment. Sebeya yade, and we will be going to our discussions. In any case, or text message and answer WhatsApp message be with me asende a day a brain 07950422780 07950422780 and answer you can call us on 07399408268. Now yanewo edidi and komo ewa senia edikan abo maniano BWF Solicitors and a day a brain.
Yeye fema yewo London. Yaji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mransemu. Eye legal services. BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernard Owusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi te se child care, eya abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwa agyew ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye were 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernard Owusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bi a otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Okay, abusia you go so your name la part reading komo sisia na o se toto enema bi na yetimi de enema gu akwam me wosofu bi wase fa enema gu akwam ye de enema gu akwam na fe ye de ye komo no ebe hihye so me sign akọ ye nugget no so mabo so quickly na right after that ye ne la Patrick ye be congratulations ni nyina gu no so na or jiswa na yatoaso. Yes, for an employer to lawfully dismiss an employee, they must have a fair reason and follow a lawful process, or they risk tribunal claims. Other substantial reason, that is SOSR, is one of the 5 potentially fair reasons for dismissal. Thus, can occur when there is a loss of mutual trust and confidence between the employee and the company. We yekofa every year the Employment Rights Act of 1996. And also, Majina Nafi, Masai, a day, a year, in share any congratulations, any abasobo, a day, ama, Yednia, lawyer Patrick, say, what qualify as a solicitor to the senior courts of England and Wales. Mekai say, about a couple of weeks back, na yeneno ha Uncle Ben Ebekai say, watch this space. This is what we were bringing you. Enti, mami enfra, yeah, La Patrick. La, yes. Congratulations.
Oh, dear. Thank you. Thank you.
I yes. I want to say, now, Papa no way. Oh,
yes.
Papa no
Papa no cover, Papa no around. Just that sometimes, you know,
yeah.
That's
right.
And toda na senior opese ototo nneɛma no na anko wie sa nti ne nyinaa ka adwuma no ho and sometimes as I say yetumi make adjustments for nneɛma sa nti one of those days unfortunately we had to make some emergency adjustments but the show must go on.
Yanum honsa kaka.
Oh, okay.
Ajieni.
That's grand.
That's grand. Maybe sene boso senior partner ma yen who say bibiba inti yenye krado na yentwen. Ejebu ejaba abudru.
Yeah.
Didi kai yeda nyame ase on your behalf. Right. And afi yema massive congratulations. Jenny ni easy. That is saying,
well, I mean Obi kan a friend say in room wasem obako akohu yes, it's absolutely been a very long winding journey. And it hasn't been easy until senior sabi nkofo omuhweye omutie ne dodo na omuhu senior emranimfo adwuma sitie no saa na ne ho adesua so esitie.
That's right.
Nti say nyame adom na yebetana na mutro questions no roku etro no dia ni nyina bia ni ho a is scripted.
That's right, yeah.
So it is not scripted. Spontaneous questions are most of the time kofobisa ni dia also so dey ba any ni nyina. But in Sri Lanka nyame any adoma or the adomye nimdia or the amaye any enchecha yafemu both theoretically they are coming through school and then practically they are through your senior partner Lawyer Bernard with 30 years experience. That knowledge now we're impacting into we come here with some level of confidence to face whatever questions that come through. And that is how the journey has been, and God has been very, very kind because you're having to juggle between studying, being a family man, working, and then back in the day doing radio and doing community work alongside sometimes even hosting events and all of those things. So it's been tough. I've had to really split myself into pieces to get to where we are at the moment. And thanks to yourself, I think it's been on the quiet side, not until again through the senior partner, I was one day outdoored, and then I found myself sat behind the cameras when we first started.
That's right.
And then for I think there was one of the weeks now it was empty. There was no senior partner. There was no my senior colleagues, and then somebody had to step in and do the work. And yourself, you said no. I'm afraid. I know you can do this, so you're going to move from behind the cameras in front of doing what you're being trained to do. And that started the whole journey of me, putting myself in public and people getting to know what I was all about. Not until then, I think not many people, when I say many people within our circle
knew what you were doing,
what I was really doing.
But why modern and Sabi yema wungu ansani abeye tribute we say nyame ensure and we want to say as part of yenyina yenhihye ye tu anamo ye kwanimu ye ba kukuhwe ase no me ho niema nyina no wotimi afemu. I always envy you lawyers, especially what court case we na you say na when I see people do that, I really admire that. And to senior partner, Uncle Ben, to Lawyer Richard, to Lawyer Eunice, and the BWF Solicitors family, Sabi, say, we all celebrated together. I'm so proud. In fact, when together with my media team, when we were putting the flyer together, I saw it. I'm like, are they with you? Well done.
I'm very grateful. Yes.
When you look back, you will see us, and when you see us, it will push you forward. So don't look back. Please look forward, so we can also come in. So we share messages about our platforms. People are happy. People are proud of you, and the rest of it.
Okay.
Ready? Me ubi can say hena min fanfa. I mean fawo enkoyeng nugget no so quickly. Na wadaruma ubetimi ebie na so ade amaye. De ewo ha enie or say obi betimi ayi obi adi ewo adwuma mu a or say for an employer to lawfully dismiss an employee, they must have a fair reason and follow a lawful process, or the risk tribunal claims other substantial reasons is one of the 5 potentially fair reasons for dismissal. This can occur when there is a loss of mutual trust and confidence between the employee and the company. But we did first test.
Okay, so Reku, yes. Usually, the na yata susune se oni obi ye juma na wenchu ba. Ese se nipa kro no ofamra kwan so na mumu etimi etete.
Okay.
Nti sa na ya yenim no. And yenim se nkofo ta ka unfair dismissal, constructive dismissal, and a bimpo wrongful dismissal. Then you know employment terms are ye mube brina bi oha yati bi also ani nim na the bank, but yatibi. So we know those things, but yes, Yamra Nimuno, which is the Employment Rights Act 96 Nimuno. 94, section 94, no. The asudi to a year a juma ranum force. So, would you be ye juma? Na bibinti ubeinetia. As a say, a fa a quantine so. Into one timmy fa sebua quine so. Now, you be ye juma, umfiti precope. Emo utimunga se ene meyiwedi. Ewo hodie yes ubetimia eyubi edi wa adwuma mu wa bra wa morning kaya na so wa money notice. Yes, ewo ho. But then in all of the majority of the cases now, it's a so far the proper channel of go through certain procedures, including even company policy, company disciplinary action procedures. We go through such as and sana ubetimi eyini pakro nedi. However, the same Mrapona and Kasa a year Employment Rights Act 96 and also no baby wa and also so emma ho kwan ya yen hihia e wo akwan hodo enum bi a eno no adwumaru anu betimi afa so ayiwadi a isusu se eye bibia enamra kwan so anase potakasemo ebeka se eye fair.
Okay.
Nti sa niema 5 no ebi ye conduct. Nti conduct no de ye kire ne ye usu ne wo ban a ode wo adwuma no. Ebi ana adwuma ya wo mi oni kwasi nka oni kwaku nka. Nti no wo nko an ko adwuma mu a da bia no ode problem na ekọ. Nti woni adwumayefo no enka oyo obi a adwuma kra no okọ a da bia no aye late. Sabi adwuma na wo no kra no unim pani na unim akwala yentumi directo de wo pe na wo ye ni nyina no borders on your conduct kra na mu no ye another one enye even within the office confinement but outside of business no o conduct betimi ama adwumaru atumi ayiwadi.
Okay.
Nti why ye bibia e
You say definitely you who are him so akwa we were
of course, nti you represent company.
No.
So for instance, you know, mete hey obi anim say me ne adwuma kusi e na ye adwuma. Ti se me kwa abonten na me koye bibia na ebetimi abre business nasia. Then you know ebetimi akoso problem for me with my work. Nti na no so betimi account. And ye wo bibia eye statutory. Nti no mrakwan so no ebia adwumaru ano koso na wo ye adwuma enye yi. For example, ebia ye kasa uyobia otikroma wo limited leave to remain. Limited leave to remain no edu says renew no when renew ama o time no apa ho nti se ye nyina ye nim se o time so pa ho a de eya na ebo ho ban se o renew application in time a your friend section 3C no se o ma o time no pa ho 14 days e pa ho a sa ban bo no e mo ho ban bio.
Okay.
So which means say we lose o right to work na nka adwuma ewura no bekwa akọ check na enam so dia for no we lose no nti so lose no na it means say adwuma ewura no ntimi mfa wadwuma because so for wadwuma ono so
atomra.
That's right. Nti betimi akọ no problem. And as so we obi a wadwuma a wo no it involves driving. Nti involves driving as said da bia no o license no who say intact. Nti say ukoye boni bi na for that reason ye jo license ni free unsem na enu nti no untimi nkoye saa adwuma na again adwuma ra betimi agina so the other thing redundancy. So again redundancy you know a fair way of terminating your employment. Nti say wo adwuma mu na but it can be unfair as well na betimi akoso problem. But say wo adwuma mu na bia adwuma na mo ye no adwuma na close down then you don't expect adwuma rano to carry on to employ you. Nti say adwuma close down na ye yimu dia that's fine. Ebi so ho na adwuma na nkasa na abrase nipa ye hwehwe omo no nyina no ebia ye wo sa adwuma ko nyina nti no eno so no na ebia esese ye move nkofo 1 or 2 bi na ye de omo aka no etoa adwuma no so eno no nyina ya ade a ye betumi afaso ama wayidie no etimi abaso. Now the last one number 5 and the main bane of contention any discussion you know surrounding this topic no the friend some other substantial reason. Some other substantial reason no any statutory backing and yet defined in statute as well. And the idea very difficult to apply because because you need guidance okay. Said we ne ba ubetimi ejina so based on that. All we have is case law into authorities into and sema aba yedia call employment tribunal ama yedi eno na yedia ye president obia nam so a ohwe so kopim se ebedu sa case ya discuss so. So with that one no you know historically cases are aba yehu up until this one bebrena ye bibia echese adwuma ye ni no ene adwuma wura no one relationship no a break it down omo to aso ye adwuma na enyi nti ayese sebe waware na aware no ya na enye ye nti twa na twa se yegoja aware no obia kɔ ne baabi na obia fa no. So that is how we know akwakoye ti bi ho a usuban bi a wode wo adwuma mu a ensem fata ya kan enye ye na te se pa no twa no enya ade a yebetimi ato aso ne waye adwuma ebi so ho a na eye wo in particular no yenim se ekrom ha ye we sometimes no enyumeko ni bi ho a almost subcontracted omunyuma a omoye no edema another company. Nti ebia a catering company. And yemfa no say Buckingham Palace afa omo se omo na aya omo bennu aduane. Nti mo na mo ye adwuma ma YZA catering company no. Mo nyina no ya subcontracting mo ama mo yɛ adwuma ɛwɔ Buckingham Palace. Sɛ Buckingham Palace ɛfrɛ ɛyɛ AYZ company sɛ adwumayɛni wei sɛ wa na nkɔ a your contract and your term, then that's it. That's it. You
no kasa reasons
that's right. Yes, because ABI contract is worth about £5 million. Now, who would you mean by ABI £24,000 a month? Into 24,000.
So Messiah dance
exactly. 24,000 into you lose £5 million Buckingham Palace at Juma. And no, obey you at the amount of employment trouble. Now, what about
your bonnet cacra and rude that you know,
what can come.
I was in Safi and Obakay Hua, Yenia lawyer Patrick and Ocheche and Senior Mrano and so SCT FA yen nuggets and hon say Oshe a year nugget a day a brew and then I was say for an employer to lawfully dismiss an employee, they must have a fair reason and follow a lawful process or they risk tribunal claims. Other substantial reason, and is one of the 5 potentially fair reasons for dismissal. This can occur when there's a loss of mutual trust and confidence between the employee and the company. If we a case, sending American for no much see Galacha and Abellio Scottrell Limited. A UK Employment Tribunal case B of 2020 and the Original Employment Rights Act of 1996. Now, you were break a crabby a war in name adia a lawyer ne question ye pese ye bisano adia say or driver's license what to car e betimi ato e wo UK ha ye say honey empake o pake wo ha ye tue sika say we private parking space into you ko park wo ha na camera twa and hu nsam no bebrebe bi kra na you say nyina box bi mu no akogina ho nsam no wona bebre eden na ebetimi amawanya parking fine and say penalty charge now no set your demawa when you giving that do you have to challenge or pay challenge and pay or challenge and do not pay? The question, no, my teacher, I thought to pay. Lawyer, it's a penalty charge. In fact, it is one of the most worrying things that can happen to anybody here in the UK. Say, I'm a parking ticket. Hey, ya papa. Now, the mamia, made.
Okay. So I think your time, Nusa, because this is a very, very important topic. It needs time.
But maybe I'll be able to answer next week.
Yes, we will have time to take this on fully, because idea who hear you, especially in this dispensation, the economic air corridor. Sebe kitwa biensa ti kakra bia babia no esese otimi bo
ban this adekotua ayi em say the cheapest I've even seen around is £35.
Well, yes, that is
even just what you
within the 14
days.
It is a when you are there, then you're looking about 75 and 85
pounds,
depending the area now or parking. It's a worrying and a problem because say oko parking or say any of those grocery shops, parking space. Almost the time at home. It is all parking beyond that. Now more cameras share. Me a generated ticket. Maybe now time in the crowd. A pound base only 2 minutes. There's this barrister or challenge you more up to a certain level. Bevan. Now, unfortunately, it was for £85, but still, I know they just pulled him down. So it's worrying, but as I said, first of all, you to me differentiate between the tickets because tickets, and you know, the ticket, your man attention.
Okay.
You were a year PCN penalty charge notice. You were the free counsel.
Okay.
And you were the free private company for her. The free counsel, yes, and no one ubetimi challenge because of time. I will not go deeper in that, but we will take time and do this again on another Saturday. I promise. No one ubetimi challenge because there are certain requirements ɛsɛ sɛ penalty charge notice na yɛde ama wo no meeti it becomes invalid and you can challenge them and win. Nti no, that is number one. Number two, this is say your private companies are almost so no high private people are almost check almost premises at the mall. Tibia or a Joe Block company or parking space or when because it be a random link of for park because UKD will be a parking space will be a person parking closer to train station, not jumping in the train now or call back quickly and sana about the picking a car. But only allowed to park there because it be a restriction a space until only allowed to park there. But people do. So yes, camera bit me a child. Near send you ticket through the post and also say be the ticket a ball car no. Okay. It be so call shopping. Call your shopping. Ako park over be a call shopping. Meaning bakubia. This year, yes, stop on kakra. But me money din. Enti no, oko park wa be a time no pound kakra be a. Ube free wa be na camera chow. They be a send you ticket through the post. Enti no, sa for no, omo ye private entities. However, since 2012 no, aban ahihye mra or the to me amasa omo private premises or more parking space na sebe ya ombetimi they abo almost space ehon nti no se o park wo no wan park ya ana se uni kwan se o park wo ha omo wo nhihya emra no mo kwan se obetimi a charge. However, sa ticket na ye de ma wo no okay a fine a fine no a invoice and your fine. So your friend is saying the local authority a fine. And I be a TFL, Transport for London, almost also the a fine. But with the private one, and your fine, a invoice. So the invoice is that when you entered our premises, only bar contractual agreement.
Okay.
Inti yina yebehwa se wokọ the shops me person me bo shop biadin ba yina nim shops a yekọ bi wa wobekọ no before ansa na obewura shop no na sign ebo
ho say
sign say obetimi park a 90 minutes inti sa after 90 minutes no o ma ye nhihye so ewo ho se o park beyond that say na ye be charge inti eno ne contract na oni o ma go that time.
It's a money I catch.
That's it. So it is there. You've established that contract with them. So when the contract then they send you an invoice for time now I elapse and then you have to pay it. Now, so almost send you invoice now. So unya invoice now, then you have the choice to pay or not to pay. It is dependent. Okay.
But say, I buy a car at also because remuno obo koko say opaki beyond 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Meju sikase. Ana se me de sobobi ebe to so.
Yeah.
Inti se wapaki ama na bro so dia. Na je se wagye to no say wetu esa sika no. Inti na abaya fine ana.
Well, that's not the case because omo to me no different nti no invoice a omo de ebre say ode omo ka I say wakoto obi ade na wuntua aka na ode invoice na bro say bitua meka. That's what it is. Nti no sa nipa kro no ono necessary otimi establish say ampa say ode ne sa eka no na opeso oje kan furu so a ofa kwan so mra kwan so na oje sa kan furu. That's exactly how this one is.
Okay.
Nti no normal contract. So okay, me park wa 90 minutes. Say bro so a mo be charge me say. Say bro so near the invoice ne brewa. Opa tuaka. Person so a obetimi a challenge o. Na wa kire die nti a tuaka.
Okay.
In here say tuaka say ka no. Enti no ye the invoice na brew no na make no. Or options. So obetuaka na say wuntuaka. Now private entities ni bi ho a omo ye part of bodies bi a a year parking so it be a British Parking Association and International Parking Community. Say yeah, the ticket ne brewa usually no. Say ticket now on sabeka no. E be kyerɛ say indeed saa adwuma ya o the ticket na brew no okasa ekuo no ho. Anaso say okwa the other ekuo no ho. E be kyerɛ saa. Now the entire ati saa ne say saa omo a omo ka enyumaku a omo form a body no ho no. Omo no ombetimi akɔgye o details from a DVLA. And that is why Ubehun say ura sa shop room no one kyerɛ mo address one ma mo telephone number but near the invoice na bro say obe park here no udi more than 10 minutes at the count until invoice ni say utiaka within 14 days so when utiaka then yes it's for that one no it is you assessing the risk factors as to whether say ubetuyaka and now be appeal it. Because yes, ubetimi appeal against it. If indeed or grounds are ufi say a yet sounder ubetimi appeal against it. Again, you can also ignore it because to pursue sa sikano as I say a jumano echo a year small claims court. Now, of course, establish the fact that ampase sasikana or free hono. You owe them that money, and going to court, it involves paying money. And so weigh how much you are being owed. Now, oshe court car or kobo. Then, if you lose sa case in court, so bear in mind say ubetimian said tria nipa na ordinary court the cost. Inti bi wa betimi akeka sa nima we nyina bu na apel baby atena say adenokra no it is not worth the time is not worth the expense
inti the odi FM nyina ye sa private
yes
organizations
yeah
omo parking space
yes
na fe amanfo awuramu atra baby a na bra ye be ma omo ade ajeso no
that's right yeah.
Okay inti omo sa no say when one challenge na ekwa animu a can they bring bailiffs on you?
They can do but bailiff for no e omo ahodo bebre okay bailiff for no bi o a omo need to me
okay
inti no omo osenso omo ntimi nka nti saa for no ontimi embebo nra wufie embefa eniema te se ne aya yehu
say bailiffs omo ye hwehwe.
Well, but that is how you pay. Because and I'll be to you know, but to be a court bailiff, so no to me. Yes, ometimi be sizi eniema and a sad niema. But and no money you have to go through the court process, you know, because a kana okobo bailiff now or bana or be sizi car ni sa niema no. All ma for free. So normally they will use bailiffs where the amount involved is very substantial. Into so a car or kobo court any a car or now or employ the services of the bailiff. Maybe you make a judgment because say car could do court. Maybe I want respond to you bet me a default judgment against you. It is our default judgment, no. They will enforce it by coming, knocking your door, trying to get in, trying to get goods. Ibia or Kampusi Abontia, they may try and come and lift it up just to offset sad debt. No? So that is there. But you are part of bodies here, either the BPA or the IPA, no. Omunye part of that body, no. It's part of that body, no. They will not get access to the DVLA data now. A address, a telephone number, email address, and all of those things now. Umbetimi afaso ede akontato. So therefore, say ticket no emmo car no na ukuhuye. Na ibia ye tron keka. Then they don't know where you live. So if you don't respond, they don't have concrete proofs that I'm passing Unipay Oteho.
Okay.
So they may continue to write and write and write, but you are not responding. So then it's not so certain Zenipay or the Sutifio and as Abia will move to baby. So one respond for some time, they may decide to back off because it may not worth the expense chasing you and going to court to establish that claim. Intino pamno trano na yejai echedi. Not just say.
But almost yes certain say a coway would do almost. Almost betting ye push ya chia. Be a trouble back could be a be what respond back when we jar to money. Then they know you are somewhere.
Of course,
yes.
Yes.
No dear, and Mraba Hong Kong so about you, Miska.
Well, again, Emrano and says Obebani Ufio Abajini Sika. So person or Jesus Kana. Number one, as I say, or establish that you owe that money to them because you've broken a contractual agreement.
Okay.
And you owe the money to them. And to do that, it's almost called small claims court. Yeah, can Ebiana wako parke, one time be and parke more than 90 minutes. Into 90 minutes, no, you say a pound 10 minutes and answer 20 minutes. And answer like in this Beaver guy's case, Ebia 56 minutes. It is our 56 minutes, no, you see between 70 pounds. So we within 14 days,
Yeah, but
I'm out 35 pounds. Also, so no, I deal with the Mintiaka. My bar shop, abaye shopping cram, abaye cram more than 200 pounds.
Yeah,
I got 300 pounds. Me whole week, ni whole month shopping. Na mabaye wa. Na my year we nam a pound kakrebia. Me send tuamo another 35 pounds. It's a bit unfair. You can decide not to pay and challenge them. You can go through their internal processes. No, first of all, say nye juma oma part of the bodies now, Makano, or more independent adjudicators you can appeal to them. Now, almost you provide your evidence, BBR, Ujina Swa, the cancer, ticket way, and you say, so providing in na almost shame. Almost shame now say, yes, case New York here, then near Diama. Say, in your case, then you would lose, and then you may eventually have to pay up. So there's a process.
Okay.
You go
I'm
through.
saying Breno in Mepe say,
Yeah.
if you don't mind that, you better to us another time, but you better share private one, kwanye faso appeal.
Yeah.
And a kwanye faso ubetia. Do you have to pay it in bulk? Ubetimi, I requesting what you and bits and pieces and a back cancel any TFL. They are not a bind the ananka faso.
Yeah.
A kwanye faso are challenging and a kwanye faso and who the tianum and many are the consequences. Say we are challenge now consequence. Why are you challenge and not be a broso na yebedaoka consequence? Does it even have an impact on your criminal record and your conduct and any idea? We'll come back to all that. But to say the wadarma mingfa messages na kakra emfa emra abusia for ye lawyer Patrick na yeneno twetwe enkomoi na ukọ ye platform no so a me wo messages kakra e wo ha mepese me de beto adwana me ma lawyer nomunsu Nanaya, congratulations or say lawyer Patrick, congratulations, thank you very much Nanaya. You call the next one or say congratulations lawyer na ejiwa na ajima ewaha. The next one, essay, can you ask lawyer to throw more light on the new rule regarding good character requirements for citizenship application, whereby people need to wait 10 years in order to apply if you overstayed or came to the UK illegally. With you answer na me remember what I said. So with me, no kakra ede ama inuana.
Okay, so a bit of changes for nationality law. The 2022 Borders Act, which was assented to and came into effect. I think it's April 2022. And a buy. No, my in such a kakra in such a any be draconian. I think say ya can one sem wahama senior partner ebe chechire mu ma yetu ya nugu so ama ba ku bia na nke omu na say etwamene de no omo ko water down ema sisia no omo a yakasa nka uye bibia eye bone a sese ye geo passport free nsem a ye ma wo notice no sisia no eye omo a eye exceptional circumstance bibi sonku bi o mabrabo ma ni ntine bia na yentimi ma omo notice na aka but in all cases no obetimi sese omo bo eye court na ma ne sese no omo be ansa na omo timi ato so that's that. And then ye wo such a ya omo ya omo a omo so British citizenship no ye hwese wasetena wa ha for the last 5 years wasetena no wabɔ ho ban you know why dey say o ye bia within the last 5 years na bia bibi kitu bi na wayɛ nti no okay enya hwe ye betimi use discretion na ya wave no off ama yetimi de wasetena no and as citizenship no at the amount. I think so where people are a bit concerned yes 10 years no and no in free so don't even go there. It's not gone yet. It's still there. It's and only one of the your friend is saying punishment are almost free still, even with this changes now abano. Still now almost free to you be whereby overstay now I breach immigration rules no. So time now by now. So 10 years now sana naturalization. That one no, is still there. Nti enu na esese ye hye no nso se okoye wo naturalization na what na ekrom ha but obaye no obrichi ye immigration rules no I overstay and from then on no wabinya wasetena na wo pese okoye naturalization na esese wo twen na o serve o 10 years yes on be refuse so
okay we offer for also or say thank you Lawyer Patrick, congratulations for your good work and I say yeah Nana Kume the day also so dear no congratulations to Lawyer Patrick. Francesca, good evening gentlemen. Francesca, thank you, good evening as well. Another one here was say Lawyer Patrick, you deserve your achievement, well done. If you are Kumsen Kenneth Kofi Ofori Boateng Antobam also thank you very much. Antobam you said next week Ebo was granted 30 months limited leave to remain on a 10-year partner route under paragraph DLTRP 1.2 Appendix FM. Upon consideration under paragraph Gen 3.2 of Appendix FM, because he has no evidence to prove the required 2+ years of cohabitation with the child's mother. He's attempting to switch into the 5-year route. Can Ebo complete the application form as a parent, though he does not meet the 2-year cohabitation as partner, despite that he has been previously granted as a partner by the Home Office? Have accepted Ebo as partner, or add your name say just say twaso baby. But lawyer, me Sergeant 2 near they or say or complete the application form as a parent, whether both still residing together or not in the same address.
Okay. So the consideration when you make an ASAO submitted application under Appendix FM and Family Life, say only a partner, and a qualifying child can even though you may not meet all of the requirements, So typically, say apply as a partner. Number one, you have to have immigration status, and only a dear bakwa ayana a wink of bebre immigration status no because if you are not na or you overstay into you only leave to remain. So only leave to remain it means that meet immigration status requirement. Again, necessarily English language at least level A2. I always recommend say B1 so to me and yet difficult speaking and listening very easy. But what it does is it saves you money for your subsequent applications.
Okay.
Into no obey no. Then as so show the friend financial requirement, maintenance requirement into 18,006. And I feel baby more better. So we one single room should be enough for the two of you. That is where you tick all of the boxes. Okay. But in this instant case, and this particular question here, Abe, this is my understanding. Nipa ya ye ka no ho asemi. One ne partner, any ne ba, or ye qualifying child. And I'm put yen kase bia ne stepchild. Either way, en change hwe. Akola no ye qualifying child. Nipa ya all your application omiti all of the requirements are and until you begin so are granting a leave as a partner.
Okay.
However, I said from the beginning, says, oh yes, our application now. Say munyina motibom ayi wo any obano any akwalano munyina motifa kwa. Even though our meet partner root requirements, now application is based on sa akwalano because sa akwalano ababeye osi akwan bi a emma home office for intimi enkase kofi. Nti necessary sa akwalano ntino yedema. But because say only partner netino say omo ye consideration now. Consideration starts from assessing say you meet the partner root requirements now. Nti say omo sha say no mo ye assessment now. Ya check ABA or finances ye hu say madam ye adwuma nti 18,600 no omiti. Ya check ABA ne ye hu say baby amote no enough nti eno so ABA wa meeting. Then I check ABA immigration status. You say we overstay until you meet here no. You check why would him say they can meet in the English language no one for certificate can. So again, those two requirements no were meeting. Into the ye hwemu nanka partner route no de meet. Nebom no you see bibi potin bi e wo wabrabo mu into yes ye hwe saa ade na ye ka say free hana kwa enye into ye de be ma. However, because only partner netting yeah, they amount on the basis as a partner because only partner any akwalano netting. Any akwalano the age so the amount. So this is what this person is done. And untina or yeah, in the first application, your man or 2.5 years as a partner because only you may not have lived together for 2 years now or can yeah, they define partner no. You may not have lived together for that period. In a business, now need your friend is saying, marriage certificate and be out there. But you won't say only partner net. Also, your application, what you say, or partner only anything. If you are on married partners, into what's just on the net and your partner route. No. So, your friend is saying, switch it to a year partner route now. Then, as I say, meet the requirement now, the atom either say, mawari, and now you've been cohabiting for 2 years under Gen 3.2. That's the definition of a partner. It can either say cohabitation for 2 years and also say mawari. Someone now for 2 years, just advise yourself, get a customary marriage certificate done, slap it on there, and that's it. Case closed. It doesn't matter if you live together from today and answer enra.
Okay.
That's all you do. It's so what yes then you wouldn't meet all of the requirements because if you are now only evidence now or the better say and pass it matna for 2 years. It is a way in then very difficult. I must obey to me. I convince you say yes or your partner send your church. Yes, a nuntina abia or mudina say on your partner. But now what this person wants to do is say now no opese or switch it again. Into no opese oyusu na drink kakra na or switch from 2.5 years partner route no because meaty partner na ebia nkobeka say me would direct access to me qualifying child no until now instead of on the partner route no I want to switch to a parent route. Into society there now no you are saying say you are no longer living in the same household with them. What will baby but or direct access to the child. And because of that no you want to switch to your friend is saying sa route no eso. you have to meet the requirements again to be able to switch, i.e., or immigration status, or baby, and no assessment, and 18,006 near the here, adequate maintenance and accommodation. To we juma kakra bosumisua bibi ba ma utimi etwetwetwa ho eno na yehwe wo baby te enye overcrowded eno so you okay. Then why your English language, like I said, A2 or B1 would be fine. Now the account. And now we're here to make that switch. Yes. So I don't know why anybody will go through this to get to that destination. Because for me, it is just a matter of you getting what you have to get and then, apply on that basis. Because I'm also meet a partner definition because you have not been able to evidence that 2 years cohabitation. Then you have a choice to get married and then put the marriage certificate on that.
You be one so zero what fraying take my senior see at you. Hello.
To get married and then put the marriage certificate.
Hello.
Hello.
But you say, I didn't know what's what, do no my wine. Okay, that's it. Ma Good
evening.
Good evening.
Happy lawyer, so congratulations.
Okay, but that's even here.
How long will it take for 2.5 years? My last 2.5 years, but it's been like a year.
Okay.
How long will it take for it to come?
Okay. Timpacho, oh yeah, express one nibi and standard one nibi now.
Yeah, normal one.
Oh yeah, normal one. Okay. Yo, inti nuaba. Yes, 1 year a chapal. Yenina ebekaya. Ukraine war no buy no. And Home Office for Edimrika SSA or more guidance because now more here na emoyede. But yenina so yenim say as of mine yewo asudie se esese yetumi eboa nti no sa asudie no ntine ema pressure kakra ebeto eye Home Office for so because I say the aba wo Ukraine no emergency nti esese ye hwe wo nti ema omo the attention ni nyina ko because of that nti no omo sesa omo time period omo they make it decisions especially with the applications on the basis of human rights. Especially based on your friend is saying, or based on a parent, or as a parent, and also say, or on the basis of private life, will be our for maybe 20 years. Categories of applications, and almost changes by say instead of say the name say be or the qua be 6 months konin the nanka. Or my decision, and no more years such as I say, okay. So, see, I know, standard time no crowd ye. Any who be me a year free ho. Until standard time be ample and apply be. Name say, we have application now. Bet me it take up to 11 months and son or my decision. And now say even beyond that and son or my decision. Say 11 months ya yeke. Not just say ya show mo who say bibia anywhere esi kwan say you make a decision. But still I know say omugusu nhwehwemu a then unfortunately it could go beyond 11 months now oma kan to ho no. But then I check cross there ebeba. I think say ya kan ho asema and the only downside is say untimi ntu kwan. So we have application in time emra no eba wo ho ban. Inti no say juma na wo ya section 3C allows you to do that. And near ye ka say adwumayefo emra ya hyehyɛ de ato ho ama wo mo no it take effect and the 1st October. Inti the train say obi ebe pe wo ho adwuma ese say o check is or the right to work digitally. Inti no what ne share code Oma ye application under the EU regime, and I say EUSS no. Be wa obenya certificate of application 3434 number or so. And no, ombetimi dia check eyi o share code now they ama adwuma wura no they achese ubetimi aye adwuma. So you make a decision on your application again ubetimi use biometric residence card no now they are generating share code e they ama the potential employer no. Omo ye applications under your domestic immigration law nasino. So we submit to application na. Number one, bear in mind say o card na ye demand previously no I expire. So once it expires no it becomes invalid. But why your application? So Home Office our application or air pending. Omo make a decision. What sa nipa kro no wontimi generate share code with a biometric card on any because it become invalid. And because after now I submit your application again untimi emfa generate share code. So emraya yashisha eteki effect e de asudie eto eye employer no so. The sa employer no o pese o check say nipa yi a o be fa na dwuma yi ana se oni no eye adwuma yi owo ho kwan se oye adwuma. Then esese o ye application a ye friend no employer checking service.
Okay.
Now we deal with details. Any nipa no or say why an application at the Home Officer or the reference number no now or the yes application within 2-3 days now oma bro a year report no the air can say oh yes nipa we or one can say oh yeah juma. That's all. I don't know why it's become so difficult for employers need be say almost frustrating go for life na de bia na ehunu may you ready one farm much na may you ready one farm na de chia
there's everything you're checking is simply now
very easy application, you know, and yet difficult at all, you know, but they don't want to get their fingers out. But then, you know, you've been paid to hire somebody. The usro say bia you be fine, but and also something Home Office for abokwan at all. So this is what you do to cover yourself because oh yes, I need generate when the mawa you are covered. Penalty bia say nipa no na e bia oye so skillful until watimi aye card bia even though a fake but it looks so genuine ma watimi dia generate bibi e de adada wa again still
you are protected
because you fault you know
you didn't generate a card
of course not it no sa na ma ni nyina o nti e be pa adwuma wura no mo for no chew se o mtitwi dia
no but
it's just something
yes
you be pa inu anu chew mo kwa mo fankra no nko that you know you be pa mo chew na omo nye de esese omo ye na omo ma ye nuano ma ne mema no so no atete no ne frustration ne stress na emra from kaka.
Okay. Yeah. All right, I'm for the very last call. So we're running out of time, but for the very last one na I'm sorry. Hello.
Hello, Pastor. Me video mo.
Yeah, online call for. Okay.
Yeah, me person me who to say maybe me 2.5 na the bar that's yemi indefinite now. Should I have to wait for 10 years and send a make my 4 year some basic passport and I said I'll do it after 1 year.
Okay. Nti minuaba sir
no with the students nearby and there was a break and so about the year 10 year.
Okay. Nti with the student visa and buy and then you had a break in your residency. Nti no sa break
and so about the year 10 year.
Okay. Nti sa break na aba in between no and no nebe how I doing kakra. Nti no what you do no say you count from o switch ya over 10-year route no so dana ye de ma no that's when you count from so unya sa 10 years na just say aban so watwe aso wi then obetimi aye wo naturalization unless otherwise along the line no obi foforo ba no be ka say okay so 10 years you cry no it's you know too harsh nti bia ye nti so anase bia okay say nipa no etimi abenya nkrata dia ene ye nyimfiri okra because yes nipa no watenemu yes waye bone de so wanemu ama ene wabenya asika nti otimu yi or contribute to your crown no
Mpachombo. Let's say indefinite. I still have to wait for another 10 years.
Okay, nti pacho unya indefinite na on train extra 10 years on top of that.
There be just 10 years now we now then you're indefinite.
Nti a kind from unya of first leave under the 10-year rule too. Nti da ben na unya ya no.
Only about 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
So you are looking at 2020
24.
Okay. Into no yes. So 2014 no na all kind free. So that time no na unya first leave as a parent no anamboa. Into all kind free wha they are calling 10 years ni do a say be do na why you indefinite na 1 year na beto so then you're okay. You can apply. Yeah.
Okay, so I will need only 1 year after indefinite.
But I was saying
1 year after indefinite, son.
Yes, ube here 1 year no after we indefinite because onye married to a British citizen. Until ube here no. However, counting from 2000 and was it 14? Into 14 no akopem 24 ube nya we indefinite no. Na say 1 year beto so a na afi no watimi apply. Yeah.
Na me patrol from last festival that. Na
Okay.
my year the friends say life in the UK needed that. But unfortunately, me by a real no. Nya this make me for year B1. But make me for the letter from a lawyer from a doctor, sorry, Nami their partner.
Okay. So I'm surprised I also wouldn't mean B1 because I know the easiest.
Jesus, yeah.
It is a what to me life in the UK now. I'm not.
I'm no problem, but she said me to me and I said.
Okay.
That is my only problem.
All right. Okay. I was just going to come and say I'm not undermining, a problem now we'll go through. No. But yes, so if you say bibinti no untimi entra, then yes, say unya a comprehensive medical report. Edi adansi say weni no untimi MP mpo na wakotro exams no na omama exemption. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yes, yeah, that's CP. Well, as I said, we are boring. Anyway, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, welcome.
Yes, mommy.
Mayor Patrick, congrats.
Oh, hi. Yes, thank you very much, madam.
Okay, you're welcome. Mayor Patrick, me pacho, me friend be per se, me busa question, mam no kakra.
Pacho you.
You too.
Oh, your students, but we no be graduation on the 24th of November. And now also person inviting a family member, Biba. Now on him how to go about it. And now family members or not the scholarship nearby. A bit ni fear dear. And see or the family members like will be a best sponsor. How will they go about it? I'm 24th, so might me Abba cannot why any graduation.
Because it been ni fear. What do you mean? It's Kasaman.
Like say ABI is Kasamano.
Oh, okay.
Say Obia, you can for baby sasa Montreal baby say like Omobo Mbeko.
Okay.
To say be omunya obi say bia or sponsor almost on na 80 omu bibia or accommodation mo ba na bibi. Any bibi o say ya ombetimi aye.
Yes, of course. Ombetimi aye. And omo were raising tia omo ba graduation omo ba ahye omo animonyam. Nti omo pese omo beta na chi na eyefe. Enu nti na omo ba. However, wachre de nti a wo ba na wie no. Ye hwe se under 4.2 no. Se wo ba obesan akwa na. Sa assessment no is subjective. Nti enye the rational person on the Clapham bus so you can know all thinking enye no bi na nipa na all yes assessment all thinking eye de onu esusu ene de emra no e kan na o hwe nti o hwe se wo ba obesan akwa na obesan akọ na ye hwe se edie na wo wabra bom a a tie wo down to baby a wo free bana Esum obunti enu nti no bedu ho a wo be pro cross wo be san kɔ wachi enu na ye hwe nti most of the time ebia wo adwuma bi wo ho a wo ye wo business bi a wo set up a wo ye bia wo family nti wo yere wo ma wo ho a wo hwe wo mo meka se ebia wo ye emaku pani e wa asori mu se woni ho a asori no na atosini kakra wo ye singing band ni o voice said the enti no se wa ma sorry correction
yenye praise and worship
correction ntimi mayi nti esese wo ho so ho nti no wo dan bi o anampo wa rent dan utuaka ya ma o contract nti e bread da ho a then we expect say o be baba
betuaka
e bia wo ye adwuma ni pa ni ye adwuma no wa ma o leave nti wo ko leave keke na wa ba nti no ni nyina no ya ade a obetimi aboaboa no e de show se woni sika o de to wo ticket any baby a obeda ne saa ne na yes obi betimi atunu ho asi wo se ono na airboa sponsor say ni pakro no esese o kire say okay sika owoni sika o de boa oni the source of the money any adwumakra o ye ne saa ne mani nyina any bank statement esese o kire ni nyina odi di adanse say ampa sika na e won account mu no yes free baby legitimate and a buy so what save wa yes chire kwan a wo fa so a wo save bi a wo ye business kakra ntino sika no ba na wa save yenim say emu bebre na business ayeye do eya na the aban enim hu hwe enim eno so na ya na ye problem no because also wo company then you expect say utua
tax
nti ye be pese ye be hu you know revenue contribution a waye tax a watua e de ama aban e pese ehu ni nyina e di adanse se ampa o ye legitimate ejuma so wa anyesa then gradually no will reduce the potential for you to come because the omo hwehwe omo hu bia no ye e de marko na kakra wan hwe a oba onko because obi a uni hwe o chi de ubedu a you know sabe abrofo no fi sa ha no honey and milk flow here into ubedu ha untimi ko yeso ye krom na gold no
ne wan ayoyo
nti mobile nyina say gold ya nti na moso mobile nti yeso ya mama officer mobile na ba nti no mpacho menu aba obetimi aye obetimi ape nkofo amaboa na mahihye mo niema kama
the cracks of the matter ne say also ultimi chire enough say nipa no obibi e wo akire e pulu ne say obesan akọ
of course yes nti no no the main thing no
all right no bisa say okache ono na o student wa no no say na ono betimi aye e dia ma relatives no mo fin this will call office e do mo din editors call e mo say bia ni pass message say and eba ne graduation no and I want ni auntie ono ni parents ntia say ono ni auntie edija we register ni jana wodi no e wa ba ma otua ne tax but one thing is on save your bank that Ghana mobile money ya transactions no and e koba and no good now
omotimi ye statement
of course
omo ye statements or ye statements
into mobile money phone betimi generating a statement amano na ye hu say you know business now ye ni sika ebani when himself filing a tax return come out with Ghana revenue for into betimi amano because I have a mouse certificate I think say yellow o mouse certificate no the adanse say am pass wo adwuma wo ye ebia na waye corporation certificate into wo sa business certificate na che say na adwuma ye frɛ no asokwaman hene your friend is saying enterprise into no nyina wo ho obetimi de adanse say ampasa o ye adwuma adwuma
aban mu bi
yes into with nipa na no wa ha na de yes invitation na or extend they say okay my graduation into me person you know oba na beta mechi wonye no obetimi de graduation your friend is saying invitation no e de aka ho e de adanse
when say na schools no cry man letter
yes betimi ama letter cry de aka yes we student are graduate yes betimi aye ni nyina o hihye ne ma ye you know me sure say ebusuafo no betimi aba na o ma beta na chi na ye kama
okay na ebusuam pacho ebusuam eba no omonye said obu aka say omo ba graduation no Ebi also my sister ebi am abusuafo be 10 nemra. Omo let me say at least ebi anipa for any betimi about graduation. And I say
ubeti etu ya ho kan kwa de.
Usika ni chire wabomu. Enti me pacho etwa limit bia nto
village ni nyina beba na mbotimi
afọdo a omo da ase wetu aka na so ba, you know.
Bia no ohene na educated.
Exactly, yes. Ni nyina beboa. Yeah.
Okay, me nearby da ase ya bredi ntima me ja ho wine.
Yeah, me da ase pa.
I mean, sure.
Bye bye.
Okay, abusia we dey mesemo wa bebo awremu bia na me bre na so say me ja lawyer kwan na. Okay. But answer no, a few of the comments may picking in short way. Kenneth Kofi Fori Boateng, congrats, my noble lawyer. And I say, Antobam, I mean, ensure Francesca Bafo Boni, yes, for my 10-year rule. I'm saying a question no. Yankofa way so Rajua, congrats, lawyer Patrick. Congratulations to my big brother. Abna Tivo, good evening to Uncle Kwekwen, brother Patrick. Abna Biu, I say congratulations, brother Patrick. Well done. Wayne so a day about hope saying my question now. Can an email acceptance from a caseworker for your instruction to withdraw an application confirm it, or a letter have to come from the post? And when can one reapply again after withdrawing an application? Can I put this on a freeze next week? So then it's an invitation to you to join us same time next week. We'll pick this one up na yede about to Lawyer, you will attempt a quick.
Well, I mean, I think this is a very quick one. Okay. Usually so your application now person will go ahead with the application. I'll bet me I'll withdraw.
Okay.
So we'll log it back into the application now. I better allow a more withdraw. Say your friend is saying entry clearance now. Oh yeah, you get back in there. There's a section I say withdraw. No, I withdraw. So yes, now we no Chrome ha again. We to me I call online. Now I call the application to withdraw the application. Don't rely on the caseworker, because caseworker is just looking through or application and then making a decision. To rely on the caseworker.
Okay.
One can go through the process and request for the withdrawal. So what withdrawal application. So we no online print it. Nanya proof na say what send you notice. So all withdraw application. I think that's the best way to do it. Yeah.
Okay. And finally, this one says, thank you so much, teacher, as we have problem on this matter. Lawyer Patrick, no size. Yes, obviously. Anunti and ebusion for yenti aye na yenya this very, very, very piece of news and this is what we have celebrated. Adewe, wow, PBB, the baby now they are told I hear their ball hall because it is worth celebrating. Thank you, God, for allowing our brother to go through this, and congratulations to you, Lord Patrick, for the feat. Easy. Inti unsa akano na chese ede nyame asepa but yes sorry then and I'll be briefly na afi mu.
Well, I mean, I've seen people extending felicitations and congratulations and all of that. What they forget is there are other people in the background that they've really worked hard and dedicated themselves for this to be possible. Because so we be na obi nta wachia, most of the time no enya dia ebetimi ayi. First of all, no here say nyame ebehumu bi, and then you need family members and namfofo ne edwumayfo ne safo ne nyina to support you. And my family has been very, very, very outstanding. They've been very accommodating, because juggling between being a husband, being a father, and going to work, being a son, and being a grandson, you are not given the attention that is required. And but through all of that, they've accommodated me, and they've been so very patient to help me go through this phase of life. And I can only say thank you. In fact, I hope that the Abbey almost so bema almost so any aji na umatimi aka so indeed yes so ye kakra ye de boa ye mpai bo sikane de me kasa me kan wan hwe a because law school na ye choose school fees na I cut zero na as I said busuyanfo mobilizing Scanaba and going to law school, you're talking about £15,000 plus, and if you're studying now, everything is gone drier, it can be really tough, and you are determined, say, I want to go through this. So for the family members to have that belief, to invest in you, it's even BBR, I do really appreciate, and hopefully one day I cannot pay them back, but I think that. They'll have the rightful benefit. I will make it up to them. I will make it up to them. So I'm very grateful to all of them, including the kids. God bless them so much, and I hope they will watch and learn. They will watch and learn. And again, to my work colleagues, as you said, the senior partner, my old brother Oketechie, has been absolutely fantastic. Took me on from day one, and he kept me under his wings, and showed me all of the things I needed to know. With a senior partner, obviously endorsing it. My lady lawyer Eunice, met me the first time, and she's been absolutely fantastic, like a sister, and everything. She'll just pop in and come to you and see you and say, is everything going well? Are you okay? Checks and all of that. Lady Cynthia Brown, our office mother, very, very accommodating.
Very fantastic woman. Big and fantastic.
It's a whole institution by herself. So if you're Juma, Nina won some. Immigration, family, civil litigation, and no money. She's seen it, done it, lived it. So bibia ni hwa abeche oso a omwa ebi okra sebe etimi botra senior partner na yakono ho because say obotra senior partner na okoho it is the same thing. Most of the things that she's done, it's under the tutelage of the senior partner. So the wealth of knowledge na wohono, it's second next, it's just a ebini wiase. So all of those people have been absolutely fantastic and helpful through this journey. I can't mention all of them, but Lady Beatrice Duchum, Lady Ajwa Boateng, who else? The guys, Charles Asma, my professor who's come through, my brother Sam Andor, Lady Cynthia
Lord
Kwache,
Chancellor.
The Lord Chancellor, yes. Again, the Lord Chancellor saw me walk through the doors and said, yes, this is my brother. We've been like that. Yeah. She heard me rattle a bit of a fanti the other time. She's going, oh my goodness, great. And so all of these people have really contributed immensely to what we are celebrating today. And just like you say, it has not been an easy, smooth sailing path. There's been knocks here and there, but yes, God being so good, we've.
And then, beautifully, it's fit into the 30 years celebration we are having. So
I think you took the sale out machine. So, when I say, your friend is saying, but the that's right. Me associate me on kakra with senior partner.
Yes, I'm one of the quiet.
This year we should very, very cool. So 30 years of outstanding contribution to the community. it's worth really celebrating, and we appreciate the impact of knowledge.
Yeah, that's right.
And Bibia 30 years. We are just day one into the journey, and already it feels like okay, probably want to give up now, but so 30 years of doing it is grand, and we congratulate him as well for the achievement, and Ebonyam Empire so betuno kwanem.
I was for Becca be brave. Yes, you all join us to sing the praise of the Almighty God, sing the praise of Bernard Owusu, the senior partner BWF Solicitor, sing the praise of all the other colleagues for helping our brother achieve this wonderful feat. And as I said, because just sail on, and we are all learning, and I'm so proud to be associated with yourself in this journey. And when I got the news, I was all over the moon. I'm like, oh my God, this is good. Thank you very much, and keep us going. Say I'm on for comments, no. Say me jamu ayem pon. But let me find just a few. Na yemfa MPJ yemu. Frederick Boateng, bro. I hope you are not leaving. No, he's not. He's not going anywhere. Another one. Okay, Frederick Boateng. No, he's not going anywhere. Don't worry. Why should I leave him to leave this very platform? Congratulations, sir. We are all proud. Yes, and on that proud note, we want to say. Thank you, and God bless you. I was for your demo ebesie, and then say anyama be brain tea and yama kakra. But the TBano, Yamea Duma. Same time next week on the same platform. We'll be right back. This has been The Community and the Law. Good evening.
Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Zion. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. Lord, you are. Lord, you're my everything. I call you We are me ground cover. What to say? We are me ground cover.